Have you ever felt like this? Day 1, full energy. You're like, this is it. My life is changing from today. Day 2, still strong. You even feel a little proud. Day 3, suddenly, poof, motivation disappears like your Wi-Fi during an important download. And then you sit there thinking, what is wrong with me? Relax. Nothing is wrong with you. Seriously. What's happening is actually very normal, and today I'm going to show you why you lose motivation after just 2 days and how to stop it from happening again. Let's start with the biggest truth nobody tells you. Motivation is not permanent. Yeah, I know, it sounds a bit harsh, but think about it. Motivation is like that friend who hypes you up at night. Bro, from tomorrow, gym, study, healthy life, no procrastination. Next day, that same friend is sleeping till 11 a.m. That's motivation. It comes fast and it leaves even faster. Now, here's the real reason you lose it so quickly. You depend only on feelings. Day 1, you feel excited. Day 2, you still feel okay. Day 3, you don't feel like doing it, so you stop. Simple. Your brain loves comfort. It doesn't care about your goals. It just wants you to chill, scroll, eat, and repeat. So the moment things feel even a little hard, your brain goes, hey, why are we doing this? Let's go back to comfort mode. And boom, motivation gone. Let me give you a real-life example. You decide to wake up early at 5 a.m. Day 1, alarm rings, you jump out of bed like a hero. Day 2, a little struggle, but you still wake up. Day 3, alarm rings, and your brain says, 5 more minutes won't hurt. Next thing you know, it's 8:30. Sound familiar? Now, here's another hidden reason. You start too big. You say things like, I'll study 5 hours daily. I'll work out for 1 hour every day. I'll completely change my life from tomorrow. Your brain hears this and panics because deep down it knows this is not sustainable. So what happens? You push hard for 2 days, then your brain forces you to quit. It's like trying to sprint a marathon. Looks cool at the start, but you crash very quickly. And here's something even more interesting. You're addicted to results, not the process. You want quick changes. You expect 2 days of workout equals visible muscles. 2 days of study equals top rank. 2 days of effort equals big success. When that doesn't happen, your brain goes, what's the point? And motivation disappears again. So, what's the solution? Simple but powerful. Stop chasing motivation. Yeah, you heard that right. Instead, build discipline, because discipline doesn't care about mood. Motivation says, I'll do it when I feel like it. Discipline says, I'll do it even when I don't feel like it. Big difference. Start small. Instead of saying, I'll study 5 hours, say, I'll study for just 20 minutes. Instead of 1 hour workout, say 10 minutes daily. It sounds small, but that's the trick, because small actions don't scare your brain, and when your brain is not scared, it doesn't try to stop you. Another important thing, make it easy to start. If starting feels hard, you won't do it. Keep your book ready, keep your workout clothes ready, remove distractions. Make the first step so easy that even on your worst day, you can do it. And here's a mindset shift that will change everything. Don't focus on being perfect, focus on being consistent. Missing 1 day is okay, stopping completely is not. Even if you do just 5 minutes, it still counts, because consistency builds identity. You stop saying, I'm trying to study, and you start saying, I am someone who studies daily. That's powerful. So next time you lose motivation after 2 days, don't panic, don't blame yourself. Just remember, motivation is temporary, but habits are permanent. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. And one day, you won't even need motivation anymore. You'll just do it. And that is when real change begins.